Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech and gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of photography with a focus on Nikon DSLR cameras. Specifically, we'll be taking a closer look at what many consider to be the best macro lens. For Nikon DX cameras on the market, the Nikon AF-S DX Micro-NIKKOR 40mm f2.8G. Hey there, folks! If you're passionate about photography, especially macro photography, you're in for a treat. The Nikon AF-S DX Micro-NIKKOR 40mm f2.8G is a game-changer, offering exceptional versatility and stunning image quality. Let's start with the highlights. This lens is specially designed and optimized for Nikon digital SLRs, boasting high optical performance thanks to its spherical lenses and ED glass elements. It's also equipped with a silent wave motor for ultra-fast, ultra-quiet autofocus. Perfect for capturing those fleeting moments without disturbing your subject. Now, what sets this lens apart is its macro capabilities. With a maximum reproduction ratio of 1.0x, you can capture intricate details with breathtaking clarity. Whether you're shooting delicate flowers, detailed collectibles, or even portraits. And with a focal length of 40mm, it's versatile enough to handle a wide range of subjects. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the sharpness, performance, and value of this lens. Many praise its ability to deliver stunning macro shots while also excelling in general photography situations. Plus, its lightweight and compact design make it a joy to use on the go. So, whether you're a seasoned photographer looking to explore the world of macro photography or a hobbyist wanting to take your photos to the next level, the Nikon AF-S DX Micro-NIKKOR 40mm f2.8G is an absolute must-have for your camera bag. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting!